Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today is Independence Day and I thought there is no other day than today to make this video and share it with you guys. Of course, it will go a day after the Independence Day, but this video talks about the freedom and courage and the liberty I have finally had to come here, sit in front of you and talk about my journey of making and owning a YouTube channel, finally become a content creator and share content with you. So without further ado, let's begin. But first things first, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a button right below this video. Do click subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button. Now, before starting this video, I want to put a disclaimer that this is my personal journey, this is my personal experience, and I wanted to share this experience with you because there are a lot of you out there I know who every day think of doing something different, something that they want to do, but they're not able to do it because we lack motivation, we lack courage, we do not have the enthusiasm, and most importantly, there is that first step issue that we all have, that how to take that first step. So this video is for all you guys out there. What I have done is I have noted down 10 questions that I have been thinking all these 3 months or I have been facing from the society around. I just thought I'll club all those questions and make a crisp video with all my rambling, of course, and hope this video can inspire you in any manner. How did I even think to start my YouTube channel? Well, there were 4 bananas which were ready to go to the dustbin in my house, and that's how I started my YouTube channel. Well, it's not a joke, I am serious. But of course, that is one of the reasons. So back in May, there was a day when I wanted to make banana bread for my child. So while making the banana bread, I just thought that why not shoot this video. Honestly, तब मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि YouTube के videos shoot करने के लिए फ़ोन को horizontally पकड़ना पड़ता है and vertically नहीं. So if you see my first video, you will know that the video is not proper at all. But that's how I started to shoot my video, and then I thought, चलो अब मैंने shooting कर लिया है तो let's try editing this video. And then one thing led to another. I finally got the courage to upload that video and then name my own YouTube channel, and that's it. That's how I have started my YouTube channel, and here I am today after 3 months. Finally, after 43 videos later, I am much more confident of sharing content with you guys, and most importantly, I share content for my own happiness. Why did I start YouTube? I was jobless. I did not have a full-time corporate job. No, none of this is the right answer. I was just fascinated with the fact that how millions of people on this earth are creating amazing content, and I had so many ideas in my mind back from 2015, and I always wanted to get there. I always wanted to be in front of the camera. I wanted to share all those ideas and all those recipes, what I am thinking, what I am doing, everything with the world, which is why I started my YouTube channel. Of course, for many reasons it did not happen from 2015 until now. You can say that I had a full-time corporate job and I could not find time. Well, there are a lot of people who do that with the corporate job and baby. It's just that maybe I am not there yet. I can do maybe one thing at a time or focus in one thing at a time. This year in January, I finally decided to quit my job because I wanted to spend some time with my son. And then what happened in May was I just thought this is something which I always wanted to do. I was always fascinated with the amount of content that's been created creatively with so many things today. So why not me giving it a try? I am still at a very beginning stage, but I at least started. Am I truly enjoying my YouTube video making? Well, hell yeah, I'm enjoying like never before. Trust me, it's not easy. Is this a real job? I mean, this is more than a real job. And the amount of happiness that I'm getting, the amount of drive and motivation that I have every day to think of a new content, how to shoot this video, how to script this video, how to edit this video is unbelievable. I have never been as happy as I am now making videos. Not that I was not enjoying my corporate job. As I said earlier, I take each day, and I'm not saying that I'm not going back to my corporate job ever, but this is something which is giving me a lot of happiness. I can feel the difference within me. I have never been so happy working, at least. How do I prepare my content? Now this is a bit more technical question. Quite honestly, I prepare for the whole month with few tweaks here and there. What I do at the end of the current month, I sit and I write in bullet points, how many videos I need to release, what are the days, what are the dates of those videos, and how does my whole month look like. Are there any major events in my life or around my life that's going to happen for that particular month, if I would want to capture them in terms of vlogs. And then of course I drive certain themes throughout my month, like what I eat in a day, what should be the breakfast for the whole week, and then like this I carve out content for the whole month. Investments that I have made till date to become a YouTuber. Well, honestly, I have invested very minimal amount of money till date, but you do not need any money to invest if you want to become a YouTuber or a content creator. All you need is a smartphone, which most of us do in today's date, and earphones with mic would definitely help if you are doing voiceover videos. But other than that, I don't think you need anything else. You can stack up books, you can stack up some elevation to keep your phone and use it like a tripod and stuff like that. Yes, I have made very minimal investments because I did not find it feasible in my house. So I have invested in a tripod which is very inexpensive, and I will leave a link in the description box below of that tripod. I have also invested in a JBL collar mic, which you see here. That's because quite honestly I just missed out on the idea that you can use your earphones with your microphone, and that's what I mean, right? So yeah, I invested in this mic as well, but this is also within 1000 to 100. I will leave the link in the description box again. And that's about it. There are no other investments that I have made till date. I have an iPhone, so my shooting, editing, everything happens in my iPhone. I do not find it feasible to kind of invest lots and lots of money in the very beginning, because it takes at least a year for you to understand whether you truly want to continue this passion, whether you're truly made for it, whether it's clicking or not. Until then, whatever you have at hand, trust me, that's your prop. That's how you can go ahead and make your videos. So do not think of investing huge amount of money in camera, mic, lights and all of that. I do not have a light. All my videos are shot in front of this window, most of them in daytime, and I completely rely on natural light. How do I edit my videos? iMovie Zindabad. Okay, so now I have an iPhone, but for all you guys out there who are Android users, I would suggest that InShot is a great app, and it's free, or at least most of its features can be used in the free version, and it works absolutely great as well for editing. So do not, in the beginning, I would suggest, do not think of investing in app or hi-fi editing apps, unless of course you are great in editing. But if you are someone like me who have just started YouTube channel, who doesn't know much about editing skills and still learning, still upskilling yourself, then iMovie or InShot is your game. Trust me, they are so self-explanatory. You will actually enjoy using those tools. Of course, when you become like a pro, and when you know that what other effects you would want to put in your video, that's when you can upgrade to a more expensive app or software like Adobe and Final Cut Pro and stuff like that. But I am not there yet, so I am just relying on my iMovie and InShot for now. How do I plan my week? So basically, if you see my channel, I promise to deliver 2 videos a week, which is one on Monday and one on Friday, 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Yeah, I'm just marketing about my videos. So yeah, I plan my week like I first divide the content into 3 different pillars, which is shooting, editing and uploading. And of course the 4th pillar, which is also a very important pillar, is marketing those videos. So what I do is I shoot all my content on Monday and Tuesday because if I leave some content to shoot for other days, I just feel lazy. I'm extremely lazy that way. Yeah, so I plan to shoot all my videos on Mondays and Tuesdays, and then Wednesday and Thursday are the days when I edit my videos. Friday and Saturday are my break days. You know, it's weird, but my husband doesn't work on Friday and Saturday, and we plan our family time on Friday and Saturday. So which is why I give myself a break on Friday and Saturday, and Sundays are the days where I do the remaining of work, like little bit of marketing and stuff like that. Sorry, I missed. Along with editing, I also upload my videos on Wednesday and Thursday. So basically YouTube has this feature that you can upload your videos and you can schedule them for a particular day of the month or the week on a particular time, and I feel that this is like a blessing for me because I am very planned and I like to keep things like bullet points, you know, tuck 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 tuck. So yeah, I mean, I didn't have to make that noise, but yeah. Okay, so I always plan my videos and then upload and then schedule it for next week, so that on the day of the video release at 10 a.m. I am not sitting in front of my laptop panicking that whether the video has gone live and stuff like that. And you can do all the knickknacks around that video. So basically, you know, making tags or attaching tags, what could be your headline of the video, what is the end screen, what is the cards that you can include. Basically everything around the uploading of the video can be done and scheduled, which I do on Wednesday and Thursday. Basically planning is the key if you're a content creator. It will make your life so much more easier, so much more organized. You will not be dependent. Is my channel monetized yet? No. I am not able to shed tears because I'm wearing makeup. That is too part of the planning of the video making. So yeah, no. All this gyan until now, but no, my channel is not monetized yet. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I love to create content and I wanted to share all my ideas and content with the world. No, I'm not a monk. I am not trying to be a sadhu. Of course, we all do create content for money. If someone is telling you that, you know, no, मैं तो सिर्फ ऐसे ही दान के लिए दुनिया के content create कर रही हूँ, then trust me, that person is not being true to you. Of course, that is our final motivation. We are making content because we want to earn some money out of it. But at the same time, if you are enjoying that content, if you are getting inspired by that content, if you can do anything for yourself or for anybody else beside you with that content, then why not? I mean, what is so wrong if we are expecting money out of the content that you're making? So, how can I monetize your channel? Well, there is race against time. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to for a channel to get monetized. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you feel that my content is helping you or inspiring you in any manner. Then do not forget, do not forget to hit that bell button and hit that red button which writes in bold, subscribe. I know a lot of you out there are thinking every day that how can I today create some little video and make this Instagram reel funny कि इससे मेरा video viral हो जाए, या how can I make this content, this idea is there in my mind and I truly want to share this with the world, how can I make this content or this particular thing reachable to the whole world. Trust me, that feeling of sharing and getting motivated is amazing. So if you are on the same boat that I was, like exactly 3 months back, do not wait. Just pick up your camera, start to create your content, and money will definitely follow. Have the patience, be the motivated you that you already are. So if my channel is not monetized yet, what keeps me going? The easy answer is self-motivation, love for sharing content, love for making content, and that's about it. Now tell me one thing, do you love your job? Do you wake up every day in the morning, take nice shower, wear nice clothes and walk into your office? Well, not in the pandemic time, but at least wear something nice and sit in front of your Zoom meeting? You do, right? Because you love your job, right? Same here. I love my job. I love what I am doing. So no matter what, at least for now, I am not getting that money, I still feel that I should make this content. So keep that thing in mind, and only then you can create content on a daily basis. This week or the past week was a week where I was very demotivated to create content. I didn't know, I had multiple ideas, but I kept on changing. At the last moment, I didn't know which idea to pick on and what video to shoot. And finally, I was just lazing around and I did not make the video until Sunday, like today. And tomorrow morning 10 a.m. the video has to release. But today morning I got up and I was like, Soumi, you have promised your subscribers the little that you have. You have promised your friends and family, and somebody unknown out there might be waiting for your video Monday morning 10 a.m. and you do not want to disappoint that, right? As you do not want to disappoint your boss. So I got up this morning, I made the whole script of this whole video, and here I am shooting today. I will still have to edit, but promise this content will go out tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. And that's what keeps me going every week after week after week, to create content and share with you all. That's how I keep going. What can you expect once you've finally decided to follow your passion? Well, to begin with, a lot of questions. Is this a real job? Are you getting paid for it? Why are you even wasting your education? You are in MBA. You have done a corporate job for 7+ years with a very good salary. You were such a great employee. Why did you leave that? What are you getting out of making content? To all those people, it's okay. I'm just doing this because I'm finally following my passion. Corporate job is something which was great and I was enjoying it. I was doing very well for myself. But somewhere deep down, I always wanted to make content for people. And I am now sounding like a broken record. But now is the time to follow your passion. There are a lot of you out there who really want to do something special that you want to do. It could be anything. Anything. These are just the negative ones. I've also had a lot of positivity from my friends, from my family, my husband. They've always been like, this is great what you're doing. You have the liberty, you have the courage. So it's like you have the both in terms of facing questions. But if you believe what you have started, and if you believe what you want to be or where you want to reach, then trust me, there is no looking back. Alright, so that's about it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this whole Gyan session. To be honest, I truly wanted to share my journey of becoming a YouTuber until now, and I'm sure lots of things are going to change over the coming years. But until now, what I have been feeling, what I have been going through, what I have done, how do I do it, I wanted to share everything with you, and here I am. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do leave a comment in the comment section below. I will really look forward for that. And thank you so much for inspiring me to make this video. Hope to see you guys soon for my next video. Bye bye. Take care.